Hi, and thank you for watching our video. Today we're working on a traffic light setup with Arduino, a buzzer, and an LCD display to give you instructions and countdown. Here is what you need. You need an LCD display. We have a 16 by 2. That is going to be getting patched into our Arduino board, which is the brain of our operations here. Here is a little buzzer that's going to be going off whenever our red LED turns on. Here's a little push button. It's going to be triggering a special surprise later. Here's our 220 resistors. We're going to be using 3 of them. 3 LEDs, 3 resistors, preferably traffic light colors. Here's one 1K resistor for our button. And patch cables, whatever color that you need, whatever color you want. Here we go. We are going to be placing our LEDs on our breadboard, preferably in traffic light setup, since it's a traffic light setup project. We place our resistors here. We place them on the long pin, not the short pin. Here we are feeding our breadboard. Make sure we have power on that side. There's our voltage and our ground. We are going to plug in our LEDs and our buzzer to our ground side. Here we are plugging in our signal that's going to be going to our LEDs and our buzzer. That's going to be on pin 8, 9, 10, and 11 on our Arduino board. Make sure you're careful. Those pins and holes are small. Here we're placing our 1K resistor for our 4-way push button that's going to be triggering our special surprise. That is going on pin 2. And the other side bottom is going into our voltage. Now our display, we're going to be plugging in with 4 cables. Two are for ground and voltage, and the other 2 are going to be going into our A4 and A5, which are our SDA and our SCL signals to connect with it. Make sure you plug in your USB and it should turn on. Here we have written a code. You upload your code, you wait till your Arduino kind of restarts, and your code should be uploaded. Here we should be hearing our little buzzer, and we're going to be kind of going through a little cycle to make sure it works fine. There's the little instructions that we need. You can change the little messages in the code. Here's a little side view, so you can see all the cables and all the connections. We have all the codes. Send us a message and we can send you all the codes for everything that we do on this channel. We like to here's a little surprise. So there's a little extra code. Since we have their LCD plugged in, we upload it, and you can trigger different messages on it with a little button. And you can customize the messages. Thank you for watching. Like I said, we have both codes here. Send us a message if you have any questions, concerns. We appreciate you hanging out with us while we make these projects.